During today's reading mini lesson, we talked about how writers use repetition in interesting ways. We looked at 3 books that we have read in the past: Meet Denitra Brown, Barbed Wire Baseball, and Strong to the Hoop. In Meet Denitra Brown, we talked about how the word purple is repeated throughout the poem. And we also determined that emphasized that Denitra wears a lot of purple. In Barbed Wire Baseball, we talked about the word now being repeated or seen on different pages. We also talked about how that showed how the characters feel and showed how time was passing. The last example we talked about was in Strong to the Hoop, where the word wump is repeated 3 times. We determined that meaning was to imitate the sound of a basketball bouncing. Today, during your independent reading time, I want you to see if the author that you are reading has any words that are repeated and why you think that author chose to do so. Be sure to be ready to share when we get back together.